Before we start, please let me introduce our group members. First is Aulawi Nulat Utami, second is Irba Sofrani, and last but not least is Laila Rizky Sania. We are from Class U, Economic Education Department, Yogyakarta State University. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 2. We are here to presenting our review on journal as assignment of our course that is Public Economics, and the title of the journal is The Quasi Market for Adult Residential Care in the UK. Do for-profit, not-for-profit or public sector residential care and nursing homes provide better quality care? This journal written by David N. Baron and Elizabeth West.
Then this slide explains about research background. There has been a radical transformation in the profession of adult residential and nursing home care in England over the past 4 decades. Up to the 1980, over 80% of adult residential care was provided by the public sector, but today, public sector facilities account for only 8% of the available places, with the rest being provided by a mixture of for-profit firms, 74%, and non-profit charities, 18%. This paper analyzed the advantage and impacts on the transformation of the sector from largely public to private provision for those who need service in United Kingdom. And from this slide, we know area plot showing the preparation of care homes operated by local authorities, non-profit organizations, and for-profit firms since 1970 until 2014. This is, we know, if green color show for-profit of care homes operate, and pink local authorities of care homes operate, and blue show non-profit of care homes operated. And these pictures, we know area plot. In 1970, dominated by local authority of care homes operated, but in 2010, dominated for profit of care homes operated. This is very different from 1970 until 2010.
So here, problem in general. The individual member of public has a considerable freedom of choice as to where they will retrieve their residential or nursing home care. Problem arise in service quality of national health service, including safety, effectiveness, respect, and fulfillment of the needs of residential and nursing care homes operated by for-profit provider and by public authorities and or not-profit organization.
Research question. The research question of this journal is there a difference in the quality of care provided in adult residential and nursing home facilities in England depending on whether the facility is operated by a local authority, a not-for-profit organization, or a for-profit business?
And goals of this research is knowing the difference in the quality of care provided by residential facilities and adult nursing homes in the United Kingdom operated by a local authority, a non-profit organization, or a non-profit business.
The author used data on care quality for over 15,000 homes that are provided by the industry regulator in England, the Care Quality Commission. They compiled data on registered care homes in the UK, a total of 19,1721 facilities. As the outcome variables are ordinal, so the sample form of this method is proportional or logistic regression.
Analysis tools. The analysis tools that this journal used is ordinal logistic regression. The simplest form of this method is proportional logistic regression. The model can be seen on the screen or on the slide. In this model, there are J categories in the outcome variable and a separate intercept for each logit. The estimate effect of explanatory variables x given by the factor of regression parameter estimates beta is the same for each logit. The writer tested this assumption using the procedure recommended by Harrell.
From the explanation above, it should be the government 1. Improve the quality and standard of adequate care so that elderly people can live comfortably and independently. Second, maintain and disseminate information to all residential and nursing care homes to get equal and adequate health service.
Conclusion is based on the inspection ratings of the care home regulator, care home and nursing home that are operated by non-profit organizations and those that are run by local authorities are, on average, of higher quality than those operated by for-profit providers. There is, however, no clear difference in quality between facilities operated by non-profit organizations or local authorities. These differences are found across all 5 of the components of quality rated by the CQIC and using information on quality provided by the old and the new inspection segment.
Recommendation. There are 2 recommendations from our group for this paper. First, there are several abbreviations of terms such as NHS and CKC that should be explained so that the reader could understand better. And second, the writer should give a conclusion at the end of the paper so that the reader knows the conclusion of this paper. Critic. The positive critic for this journal is this journal used a complex method so that the research results become more valid. And the negative critic for this journal is in this study, the government program in implementation did not explain about residential care and nursing homes. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. We are sorry if there's any mistakes, and if you have any question, you can ask on the comment section of our Facebook group. We will try to give our best answers. And don't forget to stay at home, stay healthy, and see you!